It's the 2nd of September. It's about 5:15 p.m. My colleague Parikshit and I, we're right in front of the Hathras District Court. For the last 4 to 5 hours, prosecution witness 1, that's the victim's brother, was cross-questioned for almost 4 to 5 hours. This is the victim of the gang rape and murder case in Hathras District that took place last year on September 14, 2020. It's almost going to be 1 year, and this is the first time he was cross-questioned. Just now, Seema Kushwaha, the advocate representing the family, stepped out of the court. Here's what she had to say about today's hearing.
देखिए, अभी 5 मार्च 2021 को ही जब कोर्ट में सुनवाई चल रही थी, हमारे जो कंप्लेनेंट हैं क्लाइंट, उनके बयान हो रहे थे। उस बयान के दौरान ही यहाँ पर ही लोकल के जो कुछ एडवोकेट जो कि इस केस से संबंधित नहीं थे, उन लोगों ने मुझे थ्रेट किया था कोर्ट रूम में आकर के, ड्रिंक किए हुए थे। इसका मैंने कंप्लेन दिया था डिस्ट्रिक्ट जज के यहाँ, जो कि हाई कोर्ट माननीय लखनऊ बेंच ने उनसे स्टेटस रिपोर्ट मांगी थी और कोर्ट को, डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोर्ट को डायरेक्शन भी दिया था कि प्रॉपर जो ट्रायल है वो इन कैमरा कर दिया जाए और सिक्योरिटी का ध्यान रखा जाए। लेकिन जो स्टेटस रिपोर्ट सबमिट की गई है वो मुझे पढ़ने को नहीं दी गई, और जो आईए सत्येंद्र की तरफ से फाइल हुआ था जिसमें मेरा एक एनेक्चर था कंप्लेन का, उस पिटीशन को डिसमिस कर दिया गया। तो अभी तक का ये स्टेटस है। लेकिन मुझे यहाँ आना था क्योंकि मुझे अपने क्लाइंट को जस्टिस दिलाना है, जो पीड़ित बेटी जिसका गैंग रेप हुआ, मर्डर हुआ, तो मुझे यहाँ हाथरस आना था और मेरी सुरक्षा को अभी भी खतरा बना हुआ है। इसलिए माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी से, माननीय योगी आदित्यनाथ जी से और डीजीपी उत्तर प्रदेश, सभी से मैंने ये प्रार्थना की है कि मुझे एक कम से कम शॉर्ट टाइम के लिए सिक्योरिटी दी जाए।
Just as Seema Kushwaha exited the court, the victim's brother also left the court premises. He was surrounded by the CRPF. In fact, the victim's family is continuously provided CRPF protection. The ratio is one family member, there's 2 CRPF personnel. Just as the victim's brother left the court premises, we also saw the accused being escorted out by the Uttar Pradesh police. They had a few seconds to speak to their family members who were waiting here from morning 10 a.m. had been sitting out in the heat to speak to them. The family has told us previously that because of COVID, the number of times they get to meet them in the jail has reduced severely. So right now they got a few minutes to interact, and then they were taken away by the police. Apart from the victim's brother, a doctor from Aligarh Hospital, the acting CMO from the day of the incident, Azim Malik, was also present at court today, but his questioning did not take place as the victim's brother's questioning itself took very long. We also spoke to the defense lawyer Munna Singh Pandher, who said that he personally questioned the victim's brother for hours today, and the next date of hearing is September 9th, where the questioning will continue. We followed the victim's brother back to their house in the village, where he was escorted by the CRPF in their van itself. We met the family and decided not to question the brother further as he had had a very long day. We will be putting out a text piece tomorrow on our website newslaundry.com. You can go and have a look at it on our website itself.
We, being an independent platform, depend on our readers, viewers and listeners. Support independent media by subscribing to News Laundry. Go to newslaundry.com, click on the subscribe button at the top and pay to keep news free.